Achoo! Oh no, I sneezed so loud I scared the butterflies. I've got the sniffles. I think I caught it from that frog who sneezed right on me. Frogs don't even cover their mouths. So rude. Achoo! That forest doctor, well, it was just a wise old owl. He told me to rest, drink tea, and no jumping off of rocks for 1 whole day. 1 whole day! That's like 1,000,000 goat years. But the owl wears glasses, so he's probably right. Glasses equals smart. Right? Well, maybe tea will help. My tea tastes weird. I think that owl put pine needles and glitter in it. Crunchy, but sparkly. Maybe that's the magic part. Well, I'll be good and rest. No climbing, no jumping, no leaf snacking. Just rest. When you feel sick, resting helps you get strong again. Your body does the hard work while you nap. That's pretty cool. Where are my comfy sick socks? The ones I wear when I don't feel good. I'll bet that squirrel took them again. One of these days, I'm going to get my socks back. But not until I'm better. Well, I'll see you soon, little buggers. It's time for naps. Then back to adventures tomorrow. If I'm better. And don't forget, if you are sick, take a rest and listen to your parents. Because they know how to make you feel better. They are their own kind of magic. Ba-choo! No, wait! Don't forget to check out my other videos and like and subscribe.
Rest today, feel better soon. Snuggle up and hum a tune. Drink your tea and don't you fret. Mom and Dad know the best way yet.